Watch AI build a gold sales performance dashboard in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our sales data file. The upload completes instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and Bricks AI gets to work. The artificial intelligence analyzes our gold sales data, identifying key patterns and metrics. It's automatically generating multiple visualizations including monthly sales trends, top-performing salespeople, regional breakdowns, and pricing analysis. The AI creates both interactive charts and detailed data tables, building a comprehensive view of our sales performance. Within seconds, our complete gold sales performance dashboard is ready with 6 dynamic charts and 2 data tables covering everything from sales channels to top transactions. We can instantly customize the visual theme to match our brand. Now let's view it in presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view is perfect for presenting insights with clean, professional layouts that highlight our key performance indicators. We can easily navigate between widgets and return to edit mode for further customization. Try Bricks today and transform your data workflow.